Welcome to Spelling Bee Ninja. If you're eager to sharpen your mathematics skills and gain new insights into advanced problem solving, you're in the right place. Each week, we bring you engaging lessons and fascinating discussions tailored to help you excel academically and in competitions. So, whether you're a seasoned math enthusiast or just beginning your journey, be sure to subscribe and join our learning community today. Today, we're diving deep into the world of math competitions, focusing specifically on enhancing your advanced problem-solving skills. Competition mathematics is more than just routine calculations, it's about developing sharp strategies and a creative mindset. Let's explore some of the key components that make up successful problem solving in this arena. First off, having a deep understanding of mathematical concepts is essential. Rather than simply memorizing formulas, successful math solvers comprehend the why and how behind the math. This foundational knowledge allows them to approach problems flexibly and creatively. One characteristic that sets these problem solvers apart is their persistence. Mathematics, like any other challenging subject, can be laden with tough problems that require time and effort to unravel. The best competitors break these complex problems into smaller, manageable parts. This divide and conquer technique enables them to focus on one aspect of the problem at a time without becoming overwhelmed. Furthermore, recognizing patterns is a critical skill in competition mathematics. Patterns help simplify complicated problems and reveal connections between different mathematical ideas. For example, have you ever noticed how the powers of 2 exhibit a cyclical pattern in their last digits? Understanding such concepts can dramatically aid problem solving. Competing in mathematics isn't just about technical skills. Mental attributes such as resilience, curiosity, confidence, and a growth mindset play pivotal roles. Resilience helps competitors bounce back from setbacks. Instead of being discouraged by mistakes, they analyze what went wrong and learn from it. Curiosity drives them to explore different solutions and approaches. This mindset, believing that effort can lead to improvement, empowers students to tackle even the most difficult problems with confidence. Let's discuss specific techniques that are highly effective in math competitions. One such technique is working backward. By starting with the desired outcome and tracing steps back to the original problem, solvers can often find new insights or solutions. Another useful strategy is diagramming. Visualizing problems with drawings or graphs can illuminate relationships that might not be immediately apparent through numbers alone. Breaking problems down further into simpler cases is another powerful method. If the original question is too daunting, try solving a simpler, related problem first. This often sparks ideas that lead back to the complex problem's solution. When it comes to logical reasoning, it's important to distinguish it from mere formula use. Logical reasoning involves understanding the premises of a problem and being able to validate conclusions through systematic reasoning. It's crucial in competitions where problems are often designed to test your analytical skills, not just your ability to plug numbers into formulas. Many famous mathematicians have emphasized the importance of this logical thought process. For instance, George Polya wrote extensively about problem solving as an art that involves understanding the problem, formulating a plan, executing the plan, and finally reviewing the results. Another key area is time management during competitions. With strict time limits, students must learn how to allocate their time wisely across multiple problems. Effective competitors often scan through all the problems at the beginning to identify the easier ones they can solve quickly, thereby securing points early on. They remain mindful of how much time they dedicate to each question, ensuring they don't linger too long on any single problem. It's crucial to strike a balance between speed and accuracy. Sometimes it's better to leave a tough problem behind and move on to ones that maximize your score. Throughout this process, mental blocks can appear, and overcoming them is vital. When faced with a tough challenge, successful competitors employ specific strategies to regain their focus. Taking a break can often give fresh perspectives, and changing strategies can be beneficial. Simplifying the problem or even explaining it aloud can help spark those lightbulb moments. Many mathematicians have found that stepping away momentarily can lead to breakthroughs they might not have achieved through intense focus alone. Creativity in mathematical problem solving is equally important. It involves linking seemingly unrelated concepts, recognizing when a problem mirrors another type, and finding unique, elegant solutions. Often, competition problems require creative leaps of understanding that challenge conventional approaches. Encourage yourself to ask questions like, "What if I approached this differently?" or "Is there another way to represent this problem?" Creative approaches can yield astonishing results and often lead to solutions that are beautifully straightforward. Lastly, let's touch on the role of analyzing mistakes. Instead of viewing errors as failures, top competitors see them as opportunities. Reflecting on where they went wrong helps them understand their thought processes better. By documenting mistakes and reviewing them periodically, they can prevent similar errors in the future. Embracing this reflective attitude is crucial. As Thomas Edison once said, he didn't fail, he merely found thousands of ways that didn't work. This resilience in facing faults is what lays the groundwork for ongoing improvement and success in the long run. When delving into advanced techniques for competition, concepts such as modular arithmetic and combinatorial optimization come into play. Modular arithmetic, which deals with remainders, can make complex number theory problems much more approachable. Combinatorial optimization, on the other hand, helps in determining the best outcome in scenarios with various possibilities. These sophisticated tools often reflect what is taught in higher-level mathematics, bridging the gap between schoolwork and the world of math competitions. Lastly, successful competitors cultivate essential mental habits. Curiosity keeps their passion alive, resilience helps them tackle challenges with grace, and confidence allows them to trust in their abilities. All these traits contribute to a focus that is crucial during challenging situations. Research suggests that practice and a consistent growth mindset often separate the best competitors from the rest, reinforcing the idea that becoming a great mathematician is more about perseverance and less about inherent talent. To sum things up, we've explored key components of successful problem solving in mathematics competitions today. Key characteristics include a strong understanding of concepts, the ability to recognize patterns, and a persistent approach. Techniques such as logical reasoning, managing time wisely, and embracing creativity are crucial for navigating challenges. Remember that overcoming mental blocks and analyzing mistakes can greatly enhance your problem-solving skills. As you prepare for your competitive journey, focus on developing those essential mental habits like resilience and curiosity, which will serve you well in both competition and your ongoing mathematics education. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Spelling Bee Ninja. We hope you've gained valuable insights into improving your advanced problem-solving skills in mathematics competitions. Remember to practice consistently and approach challenges with a positive mindset. Don't forget to subscribe for more engaging lessons, tips, and discussions to elevate your learning experience. Until next time, keep exploring the exciting world of mathematics.